Hello, my name is Mark Cameron, and this is the summary video for user story 3096, refine agent filter. Um, I'm a part of the chat system team. My team members are Tariq Jaman and Luis Averhoff, and we are working on Breeze Home version 5.0. Our product owner and mentor is Dr. Masoud Sadjadi. Now to go over the user story. As a client, I would like to receive relevant, clear, and unambiguous feedback from the filter UI so that I can use it with ease and lack of confusion. So, going through each one, rating options should be displayed as included when no filter options have yet been applied, as all ratings are displayed at that point. So, this is the old version of the filter. As you can see, once selected, only one button will be selected. No other button can be selected, and this is misleading because the filter will apply, for instance, if 3 star is selected, the filter will show 3, 4, and 5 star. It will show anything above what is selected. So if we go to what's in development, here we see everything is selected because at the beginning everything is shown. So everything not non-rated agents as well as 1 star and above are shown. Now if we select 3 star, 3 star and above will be shown. 4 star, 5 star, and so on. Selecting 1 star will of course select everything 1 star and above. Option for no rating should be displayed. So as you can see in the old filter, no, we didn't have an option for no rating. But if we go over here, we now have an option for no rating. And once it's selected, uh, the other options will be disabled. As you know, if you select no rating, you obviously want no rating. Rating should function as follows. So when a rating is selected, the options below it should be deselected to represent that these options will no longer be included in the list once the filter is applied. So this behavior should persist with all ratings except no rating. So as you can see, if we select 3 star, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 star will be checked as this is what will be returned if the filter is applied. 4 star, same thing, 5 star, 1 star and above, and this behavior persists with everything except no rating. When no rating is selected, all the other rating options are deselected. So if we go over here, we see once no rating, not rated, sorry, is selected, everything else is deselected. And yeah, so when one is selected, no rating should be deselected, or any other rating, no rating should be deselected, as this indicates that the list should be filtered with all ratings 1 and above. The apply filter should only be displayed once original options have been changed. So if we go here, we can reset it. We now have a button to reset the ratings. So if I were to change the ratings anyhow, we now have a button to reset it back to its original state. Um, so once we change the filter in any way at all, we can see that the apply filter button will show up. If everything goes back to the way it was before, the apply filter button will disappear because there's nothing to apply. If the user changes original options in the filter and attempts to close the filter without applying those options, a warning should be displayed to the user that the filter options have not been applied. So, over here, actually, to show you in production why this was confusing was if we were to select, for instance, these, and then not apply them, close the filter, nothing would happen. The filter wasn't applied, but if we were to reopen the filter, it would appear as these filter options have been applied. So that was kind of ambiguous. So to solve that problem, every time we change the filter, the apply button will show up. So once we change a filter and attempt to close, we can either click close filter or click off the screen anywhere else, and the warning will pop up. You have not applied your current filter options. Continuing will clear your current options. Press cancel to go back and apply your filter options. So let's press cancel, see what happens. Filter options are preserved. If we try to close it again and we press close filter, going back into the filter, we see that everything has been reset, and this correctly displays the state of the list, which is right now no filter has been applied. So that correctly displays. Now, if the filter is closed and options were not applied before closing, the filter should reset. So we just saw that. Filter options displayed as selected or chosen once applied should coincide with the currently displayed agent list. So once again, if we change the filter, we finally have an apply button. Now let's apply these settings. So 3-star and above, Remax entry 21, apply filter. So we see our options have been filtered. Now if we reopen the filter, we see once again the options that have been applied are preserved. So whatever has been applied on the list will show up if the list is closed or open. If we change anything once again, so the original state is defined as whatever is currently applied to the list. So this is currently the original state. If we were to select something else, once again our apply button would show up again. But deselect anything else, it goes back to this current original state. If we were to reset the filter, the original state would be reset as well as the filter, because these options mirror what the data the filter is displaying. So this once again is our original state. If we were to change it again, once again, this is our new original state. And this works if we change anything here and try to close the filter again, the warning will pop up because we haven't applied these new changes from our previous or from our current original state. So it constantly tracks what buttons are pressed, and if anything has changed from the current original state, it will notify you and the apply button will show. So if we're to close this, back to our current original state. And yeah, if we want to reset our ratings, we select all, then we apply that. Now all ratings will be shown once again. Yeah, and then resetting will reset all the filter options. Okay, and I think that's it for user story 3096. If you have any questions regarding this video or this feature, contact either myself or my teammates, Louis Averhoff or Tariq Chuman, at these points of contact. And for any questions regarding the Breeze Phone project, please contact Dr. Sajjadi at his email as displayed here. Sorry. Thank you very much.